In today's video, we'll be using Gabsel Suya Spice to be grilling our chicken. And we'll also be using these other spices here to marinate the chicken. Now once we're done marinating the chicken, we place it on the oven tray oiled with olive oil and keep it in the oven set to 220 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Yeah, so this is the final product of the chicken. Thank you so much to Gabsel Food for giving us the Suya Spice. It's very, very nice and delicious, and I recommend you guys use this.